Hi Roberts kindergartners, I'm here with another math game. In this game, you're going to use number cards to compare two of them to figure out which one's less, which one's greater, or if they're equal. So let me show you what you're going to need to begin. First, if you have a deck of Uno cards, that's perfect. You could use those. If you don't though, I will show you how to make some cards for this game. Okay. You also need 3 cups, or bowls, or paper plates, or some containers that you can label. Speaking of labels, you'll need sticky notes. If you don't have sticky notes, pieces of paper and tape will work fine too. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how to make the cards if you don't have Uno cards. You're going to need 2 pieces of paper like this, regular pieces of paper. Okay. And you fold each one like this. And like this. And again, like, you take that and you fold that in half. And you take that and you fold that in half. Okay? So that when you're done, you're going to have a piece of paper with 16 rectangles. You can see the lines. They're going to help you. Okay, after you've done that, you're going to take your 2 pieces of paper that you've folded like that, and you're going to write numbers like this. 1's across this, 2, 3, 4, and then the same thing, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So now that's what we're going to do. Okay, next, I'm going to show you a nice fast way to cut them. I'm going to be using a bowl. Okay, I'm going to put that right here, and I'm going to take, I'm going to do one at a time so it's easier to cut. I'm going to take it and fold it back the way it was, but not all the way, to right here. You can see those lines. Okay? And you're going to take a pair of scissors, and right over the bowl, you're going to cut your paper on the lines. Okay, see that line there? Okay, so when you're done, you're going to have 4 strips like this. Okay, so you're going to open each one up. So you have 4 strips. And then put them as close together as you can so that they're one behind the other. And then you're going to cut on those lines. Okay. Okay, so now you have your numbers in the bowl. You're going to do the same thing with the other paper, and I'm going to show you what to do. So now you have all your numbers in the bowl. And you're going to take them and mix them all up really nice and well. Okay. After you're done with that, you're going to gather them into 2 separate piles, 2 equal piles of numbers. Okay, then I'm going to show you how to play the game. Okay, before we start the game, you're going to take your cups and your sticky notes, and you're going to label them less, equal, and greater. Okay, ready? Okay, here's the game all set up. You have your cup for less, equal, and greater, and your 2 stacks of cards. Okay, it's going to move these a little bit closer so that we can see what I'm doing. Okay, good. All right, so you're going to take 1 from each pile and flip it over. Oh, I have to turn it this way. Okay, so we have 3 and 2. Okay, is 3 greater than 2 or less than 2? It's greater than 2. So you put it in the greater cup, and 2 was less than 3. So you put it in the less cup. And you take these next 2. (5 and 8). Okay. Is 5 greater than 8 or less than 8? It's less than 8, so it goes here. And was 8 greater than 5 or less than 5? It's greater than 5. It's in here. And you keep going like that. Oh, we have 2 that are the same. So when they're the same, we know they're equal. We don't even have to ask if they're less or greater. So 4 and 4 are the same, so they are equal. They both go in this cup. So I hope you enjoyed the game. You know, you can play this game with, like I said, with Uno cards, but you could also make some more cards with teens if you wanted to go up to 20 and try it. Just a thought. Anyway, I hope you like the game, and why don't you show us what you think in the comments below. Show us you playing it, or what kinds of things you came up with while you were playing. And we'll see you soon. Thanks.